Hey everybody, welcome back to Sid's Club. All week we've been talking about thaw and melt. So today we're gonna have a fun little experiment with melting. So what you're gonna need is, you're going to need to freeze some objects. So what I did is, I did some little figures. Oh, there might be a fish in this one. Can you see the fish? So what I did was I got a bunch of little small Tupperware containers. I filled it about halfway with water, added in one of my little figures, put it in the freezer, let that freeze, take it out, filled it the rest of the way, popped it back in the freezer to freeze. I was just trying to get the objects down into the water as much as I could to get them covered, but obviously, as you can see, some of them are not fully covered. That's okay, still gonna work. So you're gonna need your ice blocks, a container to put them in, some salt, some water, food coloring if you have it, it's optional, you don't need it, and some type of straw, dropper, eyedropper, turkey baster, whatever you have. I don't have an eyedropper, so I'm gonna use a plain old straw. So what we're gonna do is we are going to take this out and we're gonna flip it upside down. We're gonna start with this guy. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your water, and if you're using food coloring, go ahead and drop some in and mix it up. I'm gonna use a little blue. Again, this part is completely optional. Then we're just gonna start adding salt to our ice block here. So then we're gonna take our blue water and we're just gonna start adding that over the top. And I'm starting to get close to some legs over here. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but you see my legs are starting to pop out over here. So we're getting close. So again, this would be a lot of fun with a bunch of kids. Give them each their own block with a figure in it and let them see who could get their figure out first. Keep in mind, guys, this is also a great project to do in the summertime when you're outside with the kids on a really hot day. It's a lot of fun to go ahead and freeze a bunch of figures in some ice and just let them play with it outside. Obviously, it's gonna melt really quickly when you're outside on a super hot day, so it's a lot of fun to keep them cool and occupied. Again, all you need for this project is some salt and some water. Find a couple objects around the house that you could freeze in some water and let the kids have fun experimenting with melting the ice to release the figure that's inside. Thanks for joining us, guys, and we hope you'll give this a try, and if you do, be sure to send us your pictures and videos. We'll see you next time. Bye.